You guys don't need anything on your desks right now. Just yourselves. Thank you. Okay, yesterday and the day before, you guys were learning about probabilities, right? Finding probabilities of different things, like colors on squares and... It's okay, don't worry about it. You can use your partners. Who can remember what a probability is, or what you're looking for whenever you're talking about probabilities? Perfect. The chance of something happening. So yesterday you had a big old long list of probabilities, right? They had find the probability of rolling a 2, right, on a number die. Meaning, what are the chances, or what's the likelihood of whenever you roll a die that you're going to roll a 2? And how did we figure that out? You can remember how we figured that out. Maggie? A fraction. Good job. What was the bottom number? 6. Why was it the 6?
Because there's 6 numbers.
There's 6 possible outcomes, right? What's the top number going to be?
2.
Hands, please. Kaylee? 1. The possible outcome, right? There's only one number 2, unless you have a crazy Vegas dice or something like that, and it's 2 of them, but there's only one number 2 on a die. So your fraction, your probability of rolling a 2 on a number die is 1 out of 6. We even went further and changed that into a decimal, right? What's our decimal? How do we do that? How do we figure that out?
6 divided by 100.
Lay it on its side and divide, right? And what's our decimal? What did we come up with? Darren. Decimal, right? Goes in there once. 4. Goes in there once, right? 6 times. There we go, 36. And then it kind of repeats itself. So our decimal is 0.16. We went even further and changed that into a percentage. What's the probability in percentile of rolling a 2? Seth? 16%. Good job. And you guys had a huge list of these yesterday. Did you like it? It's kind of fun?
Yes.
It's very easy, right? This is what we call theoretical probability. Say it with me. Theoretical. Theoretical probability. Good job. You're not really doing anything. Theoretical probabilities is just math formulas. Really easy, really simple. Okay? There's another type of probability that we're going to be doing today called experimental probability. Who thinks they know what experimental probability is? Just by hearing the name. Experimental probability. Robert.
Like you roll a die and see like 6 times, see what you get.
Good job. You're actually going to do it, right? So you're not just filling in the hypothetical theory of it, right? You're actually going to start doing the experiment. So that's what we're going to do today, is we're going to find the experimental probabilities of all the stuff that we did yesterday. Got it? So, if we were going to find the experimental probability of rolling a 2, I'm not just going to take my, let me see your number dice real quick. Oh, she's gone. I'm not just going to roll it once and be like, oh, okay, I'm going to roll it once, see what I get. If I don't get a 2, then that means there's 0 probability of me ever rolling a 2. It's not going to happen that way. You have to roll it. You have to do what we call trials. You have to test it out multiple times in order to get a more accurate probability, okay? So every time you roll the die, that's called a trial. Got it? And we have to roll it multiple times. That means we have to record our data so we can remember what happened in each trial. You guys are going to help me out with this example one up here, okay? We're going to do the same rolling a 2 to see how close we can get to our theoretical one. So the first trial, you're just going to roll your die, and I got a 3. So trial 1, I got a 3. Did I hit a 2? No. So I'm going to pick a no. I did not hit a 2. I got a 3. How many people do we have here today? 29, right? There was 4 people absent. Everyone, I want you to take out your number die. Put it up in the air when you have it. You're not rolling it yet. Hold it. Resist the temptation to roll it. Okay, you guys are going to help me finish out my trials. Because in a good experimental probability test, you want at least 25 different trials. So you have a more accurate reading of it. So you guys are going to be all my trials. I did the first trial, and then we'll start out. So when I say go, not yet, you guys are going to roll your die, and then put the number that you rolled up in the air so I can see it, and I'll start recording, okay? Go. Two, yes. 4, no. No. Robert, what is that? 3. No.
Please send the Wildcat to the office. Thank you.
And you guys the Wildcat. Becca, what do you have? A 6, so that's a no. Kristen, 4, no. Got a 1, no. 10. Seth, 1.
Hi, my name is Alex Robert.
Anna?
Hi, my name is Erica Lachey.